Good morning, guys. It's yet another morning in Dubai. Yeah. So right now it is 9 o'clock. Yeah, I need to take a bus to Al Basha. So today I'm going to the Miracle Garden. So this is Dubai during the morning. So that is Dubai World Trade Center. Yeah, so that is where I was staying for the night. So this is how Dubai looks during the day. So I need to walk maybe 1 kilometer. So during this walk I thought I should record something for you. I saw the place I'm going is very far. I need to use bus and I have to go for almost 1 hour 30 minutes, so it's a long distance. First, I need to go and get my hair cut. Yeah, before I used to stay in Dubai, and I have my barber there. So I need to go and meet that guy. Maybe after, let's say 1 year since we met, because I usually stay in Abu Dhabi. Oh guys, I need to surprise him today. So here the buildings are so tall, and for the purpose of safety. So right now Dubai, yes, I was here yesterday. I'm here right now. There are less people on the street, but this place looks safe. So it's very safe for people to come. That is the metro train. So it is very safe to come actually. This is the best time if you need to come and let's say do your vlogging. This is always the best time. Because right now, most of the things here are much cheaper. Hotels are cheaper. A lot of things are cheaper, and most of the, let's say, like Museum of the Future, Dubai Miracle Garden, they are all discounted. So you'll spend less money right now than during the time when everything is normal. Yeah, so that is it. So if I was a traveler, or if you are somebody who wanted to come to Dubai, let's say to come and travel and do vlogging, actually this is the best time to be here. Less stress, less pressure, so everything is smooth. And I'm happy today there is sunlight. Actually yesterday it rained. Yeah, there was so much rain yesterday, and today I see the weather is good. I hope it will continue like this, because man, I can't afford the rain right now. Yeah. So normally this place is a parking. It is always full, but during now, yeah, look at the metro train, guys. Yay! So, and the current situation, of course, but we thank God because everything now is like, it has really cooled down. Really thank God for that, and that we are saved. Yeah, we thank God. BYD taxi. So that is a BYD we are using for taxi here in Dubai. We are using also Tesla. Actually, Dubai. I think I need to cross from here. Dubai, they use all types of cars for taxi, every type. So if you need any model of car, yeah, you will actually get it here. So this is the Sheik Zayed, the famous Sheik Zayed road. I think this is the biggest and the longest road in Dubai. Yeah, that is it. It's the longest, the biggest in Dubai. So yeah, there are no people on the streets. So yesterday I told you, I promised you to show you the Museum of the Future, but unfortunately the place I'm going is so far. So if I spend my time here, actually it would cost me on the other side. So let me just go to the other side. I apologize for that, and then next time, yeah, we shall explore the Museum of the Future in depth. So bear with me, guys, because today I need to show you the Miracle Garden. Yeah. Oh, look at these flowers. They're looking nice. They're making Dubai beautiful. So now I need to go. This is the underpass. Yeah. If you need to go to the other side of the road, you use here, to the other side of the road. Right now, they make it really cool, because if you are not going the other side, you just come this way and then to this side. But this side, you need to do the Museum of the Future. You need to cross the road. And guys, I want to thank you for. Right now, I have 101 subscribers. I really thank you for every subscriber. Anybody who has really subscribed to my channel, be blessed. And I'm really grateful. And anybody who has been watching this channel, I'm so grateful. Yeah. So much grateful. I think they are doing renovations, because I'm seeing this is a lift here. So these people, they are currently doing a renovation for the Museum of the Future. I think this is the right time to do renovation, because right now they are not a lot of people are not here, so it is the best time. So look at that place, guys. So I need to cross from here. So it is written a Museum of the Future. I cannot see it, but yeah, I need to cross from here. So in Dubai mostly, I think they are building a flyover here. So look at this place. Look at that skyscraper. Yeah, this is one of the tallest building here. But I think yeah, Burj Khalifa is the biggest. Again, the train is moving. So the train here, actually, it goes back and forth every 4 minutes. So if you can stay here every 4 minutes, you'll see the train going. So Dubai is beautiful during the day and during the night, and it's a city worth visiting. So once in your lifetime, it is a nice place to come. But the best time to come is during winter time, when the environment is much cooler. But during summer, yeah, I don't recommend, because this place is so hot. So hot. And the next thing in Dubai, actually you are allowed to record without any trouble, with the exception of some few places. So you need to ask, but most of the places you can record. There's no problem. So this is the famous camp of the Museum of the Future. Yeah, this is the famous. So people are taking pictures. And I think it is not open yet. Yeah, it is not open yet. So it is already open. So we will make a date for this place. Yeah, kindly bear with me. We'll make a date for this place. So that day I will show you inside. We will go to the top of the Museum of the Future. So we have a date for this place. So this is the metro line, the one you are seeing, the metro, train passing. So I think it starts from Etisalat to Expo 2020, I think, if I'm not wrong. So it's a very long stretch. It's cutting across Dubai. Cutting across Dubai. So actually, if you are using metro train, so if you alight from the train, you don't need to come down so that you can use this road to the Museum of the Future. You can use up here. You see this one? You use up, and then it will take you directly inside Museum of the Future. So there is a free access area. There you don't need to pay anything, but if you need to go on top, you have to pay 50 dirham. I think 50 dirham. And then you'll have the view of Dubai. It's so cool. So it's a place worth paying for. So this is the metro bus station. This is financial center. since we are on holidays, we are still on Eid. I'm expecting also that the Miracle Garden also will always be full. That is what I'm expecting. So they had made it free for the residents. We just present to Emirates ID, but right now it's like a lot of people came in, so they had to charge 50 dirham. So before it was 100 dirham, but right now they are charging 50 dirham. So it's better. That is why today we need to be there. So I think I'll use this. So again, I've cancelled my date with the barber because I'm thinking I'll be using a lot of time there. So it's better for me to go direct to Mall of Emirates. There I'll take bus to Al Basha. That is where we have Miracle Garden. So see you in the next vlog, guys.